Before you can use your oven, ensure the spur switch is turned on. You will then need to set the language. Press the down button to move to the current language and move left and right until you reach the desired setting. Then move up to language and move right to the next setting. This is the clock. Move down again and left and right to set the time. Then up and right to move to date, where you can set the day, then navigate to month, and set this, then navigate to year. Then press up and right and it will state initial use is complete. You can now use your oven and can change these settings at any time in the basic settings. Before the first use, please ensure you burn off the oven. Remove any accessories or leftover packaging and press the power button to turn the oven on. It will automatically show the heat settings. Use the left and right buttons to navigate to top-bottom heating, set the temperature to 240 degrees and set for 1 hour. The oven can emit fumes and smells during this period, so ensure you ventilate the kitchen. Please also note that some birds and pets can be extremely sensitive to potential fumes emitted during the cleaning process, so please ensure you remove them from the vicinity. The display on the front of your oven contains sensor fields that are activated by touching them. They are on-off, main menu, time setting options and child lock if you hold the button for 4 seconds, information, where you can press to get more information about any setting, rapid heat up, where you can reduce the preheat time, and start stop. When in operation, you will also be able to see the heating function or setting, the temperature, and cooking time. If you press the main button, you can navigate between types of heating, base clean, eco clean, and basic settings. Your appliance has different types of heating. After switching on the appliance, you are taken directly to the menu for the types of heating, or you can navigate to it using the main menu. The types of heating are Circotherm, which is your fan-assisted oven, baking or cooking on more than one shaft position at the same time. Top-bottom heating for traditional baking and roasting in one shaft position. Circo roasting to roast larger meat joints or poultry. Pizza setting to bake food on one shaft position for a more intensive browning and a crispy bottom. Bread baking. Grill, large area, for flat items such as steaks, sausages or gratins. Grill, small area. Bottom heat, for cooking in a bain-marie or to bake cakes with a crispy bottom and to preserve food. Slow cooking, for gentle and slow cooking. Dough proving, for proving doughs and culturing yogurt. And top-bottom eco and Circotherm eco, which are the economy versions of the previous settings using gentler cooking. You will notice that each setting has a default temperature. When you have picked the function you want, press down and adjust the temperature accordingly. Then press either Stop Start to start, or press the clock to set either a timer, which will set an alarm that will count down and beep, but won't affect the operation of the oven, cooking time, where you can set the cooking time and the oven will turn off afterwards, or Ready At, where you set the time of day where you want the oven to turn off. Navigate up and down to set the relevant time setting, then press Start Stop. The oven will now operate. Your appliance is equipped with Eco Clean and Base Clean functions. The Eco Clean cleaning function is used to clean the self-cleaning surfaces in the cooking compartment. Use the Base Clean before starting Eco Clean as it makes it easier to clean the cooking compartment floor. Dirt is softened beforehand by vaporizing soapy water. It can then be removed more easily. To use the Base Clean, ensure the oven is at room temperature. Remove all accessories from the cooking compartment and mix 400 milliliters of water with a drop of washing up liquid and pour into the middle of the cooking compartment. Close the door and press Start. When the operation has finished, open the appliance door and remove the remaining water promptly with an absorbent sponge cloth and clean the inside. When you have finished cleaning, leave the door ajar and either leave for 1 hour or set Circotherm at 50 degrees for 5 minutes. To use the Eco Clean, remove shelves, rails, accessories and ovenware from the cooking compartment, then clean the cooking compartment floor and the inside of the appliance door. Then navigate to Eco Clean and touch Start Stop. The cleaning function is 1 hour. Once this is completed and cooled down, wipe the cooking compartment with a damp cloth. Here in your basic settings you can adjust many settings for your oven, such as language, time and date, display and sounds. You can also set favourites, where you can choose which heating settings show in your options. As you can see, settings like steam and Sabbath function are currently deactivated, and you can also set whether you want an automatic child lock. Please also note that you should always cook and grill with the door closed. As with all your appliances, please don't forget to register for your guarantee by calling the number provided. The numbers that will be requested are located on the side of your door. For more information about the settings of your oven, including removing the appliance door and suggested cooking times, please consult your user manual.